Hi everyone, my name is Chad. I'm a school principal of Maru CHOT Training School. And today we have a special guest. One of our students is graduate today. And we're gonna interview a little bit about how they feel when studying with Maru CHOT. First of all, just introduce yourself in Chinese.
您好，我叫常婉，我现在就在 Maru CHOT 学习的，然后我今天就毕业了。
And how about in English?
Hello, my name is Nuntawan Chapao. Now I'm a student in Maru CHOT school. Today I'm graduated from the school.
Okay, the reason we bring it up in English and Chinese version because she have ability to speak and capable to understand English already in the first place before they come to us. Alright, so now, how do you find us? How do you find Maru CHOT from beginning?
From the beginning, actually, I knew the Maru CHOT from my friend, and after that, I went to the Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just
So you know from the social media on the Facebook.
Yes.
And once you know us, what made you feel that you're confident that you want to study with Maru CHOT?
Because I went to the Facebook page and I saw the post that the school they share many photos, so I know what they learn, what they doing.
All
so
right.
yeah.
Okay, so you see the big picture
Yeah,
of
the big picture.
what we're doing in here.
Yes.
And I believe you should see our student
Yes.
with a successful story
Yes.
about in a hotel or in a cruise ship.
Yes.
I believe that's the reason. Alright, so now, once you know us already, you decide already you want to study in here.
Yes.
What happening in the first day? What do you feel on that day when your first day in the school?
The first day in the school, I came here. The teacher, they were really nice to me.
Okay, what your teacher name?
His name Edward. Yeah,
Okay.
teacher Edward.
Edward is one of our F&B instructor, and he has background from the cruise ship also, from Carnival Cruise Line for more than 15 years. And his position is a master of mixologist. That means he's a bartender actually, but creating cocktail. All right, so first day, warm welcome from our teacher, and also I believe your classmate also and our staff, we all friendly. Trust me, we friendly.
Yes.
All right, so now when you study, what the topic that you like the most? Because you start with the F&B service only. It's including restaurant, bar, wine, and barista. Which topic, which course that you interesting a lot?
I love about cocktail.
Yes. I can say 95% of our students,
Yeah.
mostly bar
Bar.
cocktails. And our students mostly work in the hotel and cruise ship. I will say in the bar department as well. All right. So what did you impress about the bar?
I think about making cocktail. I think the teacher they teach me about making cocktail is very well, so I can understand that what he said to me. It's very clearly.
All right. So you have a chance to do the thing by yourself.
Yes.
That's a method we call learning by doing.
Yes.
We let our students to understand the concept first, and after they have to do by themselves. That is a way to quick learning and memorize thing. All right, so you love cocktail. You have a chance to make some drinks by yourself. Which drink that came up in your mind? If you have to say something to the guests, to recommend to the guests, what you gonna suggest?
Actually, my favorite. Can I?
And your favorite.
My favorite cocktail is pina colada. It's they put some white rum and coconut cream and simple syrup and pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice.
Yes.
So nice and refreshing.
Yeah.
Very, especially in the hot climates like our country. All right. So overall, from study, you should be already impressed and have a good time with your classmate and the teacher. Now, very tough question. Why do you want to work on a cruise ship?
Because my dream is like traveling. Yeah, I love traveling, so want to find some job that I can travel and
Okay.
I can work at the same time. Yes,
Mm.
so I choose this one.
Alright, that's another benefit from working on the cruise ship. You work hard, but you get paid hard as well.
Yeah.
But beside that, you have a chance to travel to see the world. I've been around the world so many times and still want to see one more round. Alright, so thank you so much for today. But before we end the interview, would you like to say something about the people who are interested to work on the cruise ship, want to come here in Maru CHOT to study, but still in doubt a little bit about what we are doing here? From your experience, how do you feel about Maru CHOT and what would you like to say to tell the people?
I think if you're ready, you can come with us. So we will support you if you want anything for help about your internship or your job or something. You can ask for the staff or the teacher. Yeah.
But you already graduated today, right?
Yes.
And you're about to go for internship in the hotel.
Yes.
Which hotel are you going?
I'm gonna go to JW Marriott, Bangkok. Yes.
Nice hotel. And we already have our student in the past that working there and internship over there also. And she already success to get the cruise ship job already.
Oh.
And the next person will be you.
Oh.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much for today and wish you luck. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.